Today's we discuss about the Newton's law of gravitation. According to Newton's law of gravitation, each and every particles in the universe attract to each and every other particles by a force. This force is always in nature attractive. And according to this law, if we consider there are two bodies, suppose that this is the body A and this is the another body B. Both body have distance center to center is r. Then according to Newton's law of gravitation, both bodies attract to each other by a force, and this force is known as force of gravitation, and this force always directly proportional to the mass of body A, suppose that mA, and mass of body, suppose that mB. And according to Newton's law of gravitation, this force F always proportional to product of masses of two bodies. That means F always proportional to Ma into mB. Ma is the mass of body A and mB is the mass of the body B, and this is the product of two masses, and this force always proportional to 1 upon r square, where r is the distance between center OA and center OB, where OA is the center of body A and OB is the center of body B. Okay, when we combine two proportionality, then this will be F proportional to MA MB upon r square. In physics, when we replace proportionality from the equality, then always we consider a constant. Here also a constant is taken, and this is the constant G, MA MB upon r square, where G is the proportionality constant, and this constant is known as universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, and the value of G is fixed throughout the universe, and this is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Why is known as this is universal gravitational constant? Because value of G is constant throughout the universe, and this force is known as universal gravitational force. Why this force is universal gravitational force? Because this force is varied from interatomic spaces to the planetary distances. That means this force is varied throughout all over the distances. That means very small distances to the very far distances. So this force is universal gravitational force, and this force always in attractive in nature. And this law is known as universal gravitational law or Newton's gravitational law. There are several phenomena that are support in gravitational force. For example, Earth's rotation about the sun, moon rotation about the earth, and lots of. Gravitational force is the weakest force amongst four fundamental forces in physics. You know, there are four fundamental forces in physics. One is gravitational force, second is electric force and magnetic force, and third is nuclear force strong, and fourth is nuclear force weak. Among four forces,